This video was produced by the UCD Maths Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. So now let's go through a couple examples of these mini proofs. So in our first example, we are told that XYZ is a triangle, and we want to prove that the angle 1 plus the angle 2 plus the angle 3 is equal to 360 degrees. And we're given a picture of what the angle 1, 2, and 3 look like here. So our solution then is to follow the steps of our formal proof. So we are given the triangle XYZ as shown up here, this diagram here. What we're asked to prove is that the angle 1 plus the angle 2 plus the angle 3 is equal to 360 degrees. Our construction in this case is going to be to label the angles 4, 5, and 6 as we have here. So the angles 4, 5, and 6. The reason we do that is we're going to make use of several properties of triangles and of straight lines in our proof. So if we look down here, we'll start looking at our proof. So first, the angle 1 here is equal to the angle 5 plus the angle 6. The angle 5 plus the angle 6. Why is this? Because angle 1 is the exterior angle to the angles 5 and 6. So there we're using our exterior angles theorem. Similarly, the angle 2 is the exterior angle to 4 and 6. So the angle 2 is equal to the angle 4 plus the angle 6, again by the exterior angle theorem. And lastly, the angle 3 is the exterior opposite angle to the angles 4 and 5. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. And again, we're using our exterior angle. This implies that the angle 1 plus the angle 2 plus the angle 3 is equal to twice the angle 4 plus the angle 5 plus the angle 6. And this is gotten by just adding the three lines above. So these three lines here, 1, 2, and 3, because if we look over here for a moment, we have the angle 1 is equal to the angle 5 plus the angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 6. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. If we add these three equations, so on the left, we're adding these two here. On the right, we're adding all these three equations together. So when we do that, on the left, we just get the angle 1 plus the angle 2 plus the angle 3. But on the right hand side, we have an angle 4 plus an angle 4. So we have 2 times the angle 4 plus we have an angle 5 plus an angle 5. So we have plus 2 times the angle 5 plus 6 plus the angle 6. So we have 2 times the angle 6, which is, if we take out 2 as a common factor, we have 2 times the angle 4 plus the angle 5 plus the angle 6. which is what we have written over here. That the angle 1 plus the angle 2 plus the angle 3 is equal to 2 times the angle 4 plus the angle 5 plus the angle 6. But the angle 4 plus the angle 5 plus the angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. Because if we look at our diagram again, we have a triangle x, y, z, and the three angles inside a triangle must add up to 180 degrees. So angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 must be equal to 180 degrees. So if that's equal to 180 degrees, this value here, that means this implies angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 2 times 180 degrees, which is 360 degrees. And we've proven what we've been asked to prove, that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 360 degrees. So we write QED, and we're done.